is discuss the first question of exercise 3.2 of linear equation. The question is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So we don't know how many numbers of girls are there, and we also don't know how many numbers of boys are there. So let us assume the number of girls as x and number of boys as y. So according to the first line 10 students, it means that the class has 10 students. So if I combine these two numbers of girls and number of boys, we can get the 10 students. So equation number 1 will be x plus y is equal to 10, or y is equal to 10 minus x. Okay, so this is the equation number 1. According to equation number 1, there is y is equal to 10 minus x. Okay, so put values of x to get different values of y. So I have put here 4 at first, then 10 minus x, 6 will be the value of y. After putting 3, we will get the value of y as 7. And next equation that I have to make, that is if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boy. So what is the number of girls? That is x. So we can make an equation like this. This is the x. So the number of girls is equal to 4 more than the number of boys. So number of boys is y, and it is number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So number of girls x is y plus 4, as it is 4 more than. So x is equal to y plus 4. This is equation number 2. From here we have made a separate table and we try to calculate the value of y in terms of x. Okay, x, we put different values of x to get different values of y. First we put 5 in place of x and get 1 as the value of y, and next we put 6 as the value of x and we get 2 as the value of y. So from the algebraic equation we have got 4 coordinates. This 4, 6 and 3, 7 for the first equation, and 5, 1 and 6, 2 for the second equation. So I have made a graph in my Excel sheet. So assume this is an x-axis and this is y-axis, and here 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. It means that if this point is 0, 0, then next point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way the point in x-axis will be calculated, and similarly in y-axis this is 0 and next 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way the point will be placed. Okay, so we first get the value, the coordinate position of 4 and 6. So the value of x is here 4 and y is 6. So let us calculate. So in place, in the axis of x, in the x-axis we place the value of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then calculate the value of y, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the point will be located in this position, the coordinate will be in this position. And next is 3, 7. So in x coordinate we calculate where the point, exact point of 3 is located. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and next we will calculate where point 7 in y-axis located. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here will be the point 3, 7. So after this we will join these 2 points. Okay, and draw a straight line. In this way, for the next 2 coordinates we have to plot the coordinates. Okay, for the 5, 1 in the x-axis we try to find first the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next in y-axis that is 1. So this is 1, so this is the position of 5 1, and next is 6 2. So we first calculate the 6 in the x-axis, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 2 in y-axis 1 2. So the coordinate of 6 2 will be in this position. Okay, next we will join these 2 points and get a straight line. So this straight line represent this equation and this straight line represent this equation, and the two lines will intersect at the particular position, that is 7 3. So let us calculate it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 2 3. So this is 7 3. So from the graph we have got 2 points of x and y, that is 7 and 3. So we can say that the number of girls is 7 and the number of boys is 3. Okay, in next lecture we will solve the question number 2 of exercise 3.2. so don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video and want to get the notification of my future video. Okay, thank you.